Remember, this is at a location. So let's make a location. Let's make it 1, -1. That's my unit vector. Unit vectors usually have an arrow over the top. So you're not going to get it marked wrong in this class. And you first compute AX and AY. So AX is equal to 2X. AY is equal to 2Y. Step 2, plug in the point. The point is 1 - 1. At that point. And step 3 is to plug it through that formula. To make things unit vectors is always ugly. So what's happening? I'm at the location on the grid 1 - 1. I'm going to walk now in the northeast direction. Am I going to go uphill or downhill? That's the question that's going to be answered. If I go plug it in, I get the directional derivative at 1 - 1 is going to be 2 times 1 over square root of 2 minus, I guess I'm at a mountain. This was a bad example. It's 0. That means I've reached either the top of a mountain or the bottom of a valley. I have some kind of flatness going on if I go that direction. The slope is 0. What if it had been -1? What would have been happening if I was going northeast? I would be going downhill. If it was +1, I would have been going uphill. So it gives you the same info as Calc 1, 104, the regular class that you didn't take. Same information except multi-dimensions. It's just that more things can go on. In your curves in Calc 1, you just had one curve and it's a roller coaster cart going up and down that curve. Now you could go in different directions. And you could have something called a saddle where it's going up in 2 directions and down in the other 2 directions. So it looks like a saddle. So weird things can happen in 3 dimensions. And that's why you need to have directional derivatives. But I thought this was a good application where you could practice that and think of things in terms of a grid and walking around on that grid and walking in different directions, and think about where you would walk depending on crime rates. All right, so I want you guys to start going on this problem with number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and just pause after number 4, and then we're gonna have a roll up. Okay, just all I'm wanting you to do is understand, and you can actually say, we think the answer is this. There's nothing wrong with saying something that's incorrect and figuring it out. So you don't have to be right. Just talk it over and figure out what you think might be right.